Back at IFA, BlackBerry announced a more affordable version of the BlackBerry KEY2, which it called the Raw Light Edition. It's a lower-cost version of the $549 KEY2 with a few key differences, mainly in the polycarbonate, hard plastic, build materials, lower-end camera and processor, less RAM, and smaller battery. If you're okay with saving $100 for those trade-offs, you can start pre-ordering the KEY2 on Amazon.com in the US for $449 in the slate color with full availability starting from October 12. Best Buy will also be taking pre-orders soon. Meanwhile, if you're after the champagne color option, you'll have to wait a bit longer as availability will come later on November 2nd and for a slightly higher price of $599. We're seeing that both color options are dual SIM with 64 GB of internal storage, so we're not sure why there's a price difference between color options. We've reached out to BlackBerry for clarification. We showed you a third color options in our hands-on. It was a navy blue plus red color combo called Atomic. There's no mention of this color's availability in the US. Releasing a new color option later in the product cycle is a common industry practice, so perhaps BlackBerry plans to launch it at a future date. Both variants are sold, unlocked, and will be compatible with T-Mobile, AT&T, and Verizon in the US.